How to share Shein Wishlist on app. First of all, head over to your application Shein and make sure you are logged into your account. Head over to the cart section at the bottom. These are two of the items that you have added on cart. Tap on this icon in order to add this product to your wishlist. And then tap on yes. Once you have added the product to wishlist, tap on this icon at the top right corner. It will land you on this interface. So these are the items that you have added on wishlist. In order to share all of them at once, first of all you need to create one board. So tap on these boards. Click on create a new board. Create one new name for the board. Once you have entered the name, tap on create board. Select the items from here that you want to share. Once you have selected the items, tap on add to board. Now go back and you will get to see that your board has been created successfully. As we're looking forward on how to share your wishlist, tap on the share icon. Tap on more. Scroll down and different applications will be visible to you. Tap on any of the applications that you want to share and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to share your Shein wishlist on app. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.